Hello students, good afternoon. Welcome to my live classroom, St. Lumina's Online Preschool. I hope you all are well. So now let's start. Now I want to show my whiteboard. So let's see. This is my whiteboard and now I want to take blue color. Okay, so let's start with me. Today is, do you know? Today is Monday and date 16th August 2021. Okay, and today I am going to discuss about English grammar. So let's start with me. First I want to show you my pages. So let's see. Yes, this is my page. Look here, doing words plus not to make them negative. To make the sentence negative. Okay, doing words plus not. Okay, now read with me. I am busy. I am busy. I want to make this sentence negative. So what can I do? I am not busy. After am, I have to write not. Okay, so again, I am busy. I am not busy. Next sentence, he is busy. He is not busy. After is. Look here, am, is, are, they are all be verb. Okay, so only we have to add not after this verb. I am busy. I am not busy. He is busy. He is not busy. They are busy. They are not busy. I am reading. I am not reading. Okay, clear? Is it interesting? Yes, it's very interesting. She is reading. She is not reading. They are reading. They are not reading. I was free. I was not free. You were free. You were not free. Okay? Do you understand it? I hope you all understand it. So, I want to show my next page. Okay? So, let's see with me. Yes, this is my next page. Look here, add not to these sentences. Write the sentences on the lines. Look here, add not. To make the following sentences negative, we have to add only not after the be verbs. So now let's start with me. Now I want to take red color. So you all have to write with me. So let's start. I am late. Look here. Am is the be verb. So write here. I am not. I am not late. Clear? Full stop. Second sentence. He is clever. He is clever. So write here. He is not clever. 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 He is not clever. They are ready. Yes, they are ready. To make the sentence negative, we have to write they are not ready. R-E-A-D-Y. Clear? Now number 4. It is raining. It is raining. So, we have to write it is not raining. R-A-I-N-I-N-G. It is not raining. Now number 5. They are having lunch. Okay? They are having lunch. So make the sentence negative. Write they are not. You all have to write with me. Having lunch. L-U-N-C. I have not enough space. Okay. Now number 6. I am watching TV. I am watching TV. So what can I write here? I am not. I am not watching. W-A-T-C-H-I-N-G. Watching TV. Clear? I hope you all understand it. So now number 7. He was in the office. So write here he was not in the office. Clear? Now number 8. They were at the bus stop. They were at the bus stop. So what can I write? Do you know? Yes, they were not at the bus. Please write it. I have not enough space. You please complete it. Okay? You are talking fast. You are walking fast. So what can I write here to make it negative? You are not. You are not walking fast. You are not walking fast. Now number 10, and this is the last number. You were late. You were not late. Clear? I have completed it. I hope you all understand it. Okay? So now I want to show my next page. So let's see with me. Yes, this is my third page. I play tennis. Look here. Play is the verb in the sentence. I play tennis, but you can't write I play not tennis. It will be wrong. So what can we do to make it negative? We have to add do not before the verb or does not. Okay, we have to add do not or does not before the verb. So look here, I play tennis. I do not play tennis. We swim. We do not swim. He plays tennis. Look here, he plays. After the verb, you can see s. So you have to write here does not do not. Okay. He does not play tennis. She dances. Look here. After dance, you can see s. So right here, she does not dance. Clear? Now start with me. I drink coffee. Now I want to change my pen color, and in this time I want to take black color. Okay? I drink coffee. So what can I write here? I do not drink coffee. Okay? Now number 2, he sings well. He sings well. Look here, after sing you can see S. So what can I write here? He does. Okay, not do. He does not. Now only sing, not sings. Sings. He does not sing well. Now number 3, you drive carefully. You drive carefully. Okay. So what can I write here? You do not. Okay. You do not drive. And so on. Okay. Now number 4, she writes clearly. Look here, after the verb write, you can see S. So write here, she does not. DOESNOT. She does not write. WRIT and so on. Okay, clearly, right? She does not write clearly. Okay, I remember you. Number 5, I remember you. So what can I write here? Look, I do not. Then remember. REMEMBER. I do not remember you. Because I have no enough space, I can't write the full sentence. Number 6, she helps her mother. Look here, the verb help is after the verb help you can see S. So write here, she does not. DOESNOT. Does not. She does not. What? Help. Clear? Now number 7. They live in Nagpur. They live in Nagpur. So what can I write? They do not live. Okay? He watches cartoons. He watches cartoons. Look here. After the verb was, you can see S. So write he does not watch. Okay, clear? He does not watch cartoons. Now number 9, she cooks well. She cooks well. Look here, after the verb cook, S is found. So write here, she does not cook. Okay, she does not cook well. We know him. We know him. So what can I write? We do not know, so on. Again, I want to repeat it. I drink coffee. I do not drink coffee. He sings well. He does not sing well. You drive carefully. You do not drive carefully. She writes clearly. She does not write clearly. I remember you. I do not remember you. She helps her mother. She does not help her mother. They live in Nagpur. They do not live in Nagpur. He watches cartoons. He does not watch cartoons. She cooks well. She does not cook well. We know him. We do not know him. Okay, students, I hope you all understand it and enjoy it. Okay, so today I just want to tell you bye bye. We will meet again tomorrow. But before it, I want to say, if you like my class, please hit the like button and share it to your friends and relatives. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, so today, bye bye. See you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye bye.